Using a Wise card in Japan is a convenient and cost-effective way to manage your finances while traveling. To get started, first apply for a Wise card online and activate it once you receive it in the mail. The application process typically takes a few minutes and requires some basic personal and identification information. Once your card is activated, you can load it with Japanese yen using the Wise website or mobile app. You can also set up automatic currency conversions to get the best exchange rates. It is essential to note that Wise offers competitive exchange rates with low fees, making it a great option for international transactions. When using your Wise card in Japan, you can withdraw cash from ATMs or make purchases at stores and restaurants that accept Visa or MasterCard. Be aware that some ATMs may charge a small fee for withdrawals, but Wise does not charge any foreign transaction fees. It is also important to inform Wise of your travel plans so they do not flag your transactions as suspicious. To minimize fees, it is recommended to use ATMs that are part of the Cirrus or Maestro network, as these do not charge any additional fees. Additionally, try to have some local currency with you when arriving in Japan, as not all places accept card payments. In case your card is lost or stolen, you can instantly freeze it using the Wise app to prevent any unauthorized transactions. You can also order a replacement card, which will be sent to you promptly. Overall, using a Wise card in Japan is a hassle-free way to manage your finances, with low fees and competitive exchange rates. By following these steps and being mindful of the best practices, you can enjoy your time in Japan without worrying about your money.